I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open Outlook and click the message or reading pane you want larger. Once selected, use Control plus the mouse wheel for quick scaling. That's the fastest trick. If you prefer precision, go to the View menu and choose Zoom, then pick a percentage or drag the slider to the level you need. This changes only the active pane immediately, so you can confirm legibility before moving on. Once done with the quick method, open the email in its own window for precise control. Click View and then zoom to type or pick an exact percentage, 100, 125, 150%, whatever you need. Make sure to confirm the selection so the message redraws at the new scale. If your Outlook version shows a Remember My Preference or similar checkbox, enable it to keep that zoom for new messages. Otherwise, you'll repeat this step for different panes. To finish, fine-tune the view using the reading pane slider or another quick control plus mouse wheel adjustment. That's your on-the-fly control. If something looks off, reset to 100% through View Zoom to return to default clarity. If settings won't persist, restart Outlook and check for interfering add-ins or accessibility software. Disabling suspect add-ins often resolves conflicts. If still failing, update Outlook or contact support. These steps solve most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.